بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيد المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. وبعد، أعزائي طلاب الصف السابع، أحييكم بتحية الإسلام. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أقدم لكم فيما يلي الحصة الغير متزامنة فيما يخص الوحدة الخامسة، كتاب التدريبات، صفحة 31. Page 31. Reading. What I like buying in the shopping mall. This is the title of the reading passage that we are going to read for this lesson. Okay. Notice that we have the name of the mall, the Rose Mall. We have here in Kuwait Marina Mall, the Avenues, and 360 Mall, and many other malls. Okay, the Rose Mall, I think it's in Salmiya. The Rose Mall, shopping for all the family. Shopping. So if you want to buy things for all the family, you can visit the Rose Mall. There are different shops like the Game World, Read On, Nice Listening, Fresh Look, Gifts for All. Now we are going to read them one by one silently. I advise you to start reading silently. First of all, read about the Game Word. The Game Word. Okay? Silent reading, please. Take your time. Okay, so this shop has got a lot of different computer games, and you can try them on the shop's computers. So we have different computer games. Gamewood games. The staff, mean the people working there, know a lot about computers, and they help you too. I love spending time in this shop looking at new games. Okay, a lot of children and adults like going to this shop because there are a lot of new games. So what has this shop got? Okay, who can answer me? This shop has got a lot of different computer games. Okay, now let's go to the second one. What is the second one? Title? Yes, Read On. It's Read On. Read On, the same. Take your time and start reading the short text silently. Silent reading. This book and magazine shop is excellent. It has got very good departments, أقسام, sections, including تتضمن a reference section, قسم المراجع, for young people. There are even armchairs and sofas for you to sit on. I think Jarir bookshop is so famous for this. They have got, okay, armchairs and sofas for you to sit on. And look at the books. Don't get lost. It's very big. You can order books in this shop too. Okay, so Read On, this shop is for buying what? So what can you buy at this shop? You can buy books and magazines. So this shop, you can buy books and magazines. Let's go to the following one. What is the next shop? Yes, Nice Listening. If you love music, this is the shop for you. It has got a good choice of CDs. There is music for all tastes, and you can listen to the CDs before you buy them. You can also order any music you want. So what has this shop got? This shop has got, it has got a choice of CDs, a choice of CDs. So it's for listening to music. Next we have fresh look. Expect now. Can you tell me what is this shop about? Fresh look. You can buy fashionable clothes. So this is a clothes shop. You can buy fashionable clothes in this shop. They are not expensive. You can buy bags, belts, and jewelry too. The staff are very friendly. They give you advice about what to wear. So what can you buy at this shop? You can buy clothes. You can buy clothes, bags. You can buy clothes. You can buy bags. You can buy jewelry. You can buy belts and jewelry too. Okay. Now let's go to the last shop. It's gifts for all. Gifts for all. Gifts means presents. Okay. For all means for children, for adults, for men and women. Looking for a gift for a friend? Then don't look any further than this shop. There are lots of lovely things to give people and at all prices. Okay. You can buy prices asar. You can buy posters, beautiful ornaments, soft toys and games. So what can you buy at this shop? Okay, I've just told you. You can buy posters, ملصقات, beautiful ornaments, أشياء تزيينية, soft toys, ألعاب. Okay, soft يعني ليست قاسية, لينة, and games well, لعب, ألعاب. Okay, so these are the shops that are available at the Rose Mall. Now next we have two exercises, exercise 9 and 10. Okay, read about the shops and decide where the people should go. These are the shops. Let me remind you of the names of the shop. Okay, these shops are available at the Rose Mall, Game World, where you can buy games, Read On, where you can buy books and magazines, Nice Listenings, where you can buy CDs, Fresh Look for buying clothes, jewelry, bags and belts, Gifts for All. You can buy different things, okay, at this shop. Now Amal wants a new shirt. A new shirt. Where can she go? Where can she go? Fresh Look. Yes, right you are. So she can go to this shop. Fresh Look. Fresh Look. Reem wants to buy a novel to read. A novel to read. She can buy to this shop. Read On. Okay. Sammy is interested in the latest album of his favorite band. He is interested in music. Okay, this is number 3. 4. Fahad is looking for a present for his sister. A present or a gift. This is number 5. And the last one, Amina loves computers and often buys games. Now she can go to the game world. She can go to the game world. Okay, look at the answers. Now these are the numbers and these are names. Okay, so number 1 we have Fresh Look, then Read On, Nice Listening, again Fresh Look and Game World. Okay, a present, I prefer Gifts for All. This one better here to write Gifts for All. Gifts for All. Okay, Now let's go to the last exercise on this page, the workbook, grade 7, workbook, page 31, exercise 10. Exercise 10. Okay, read about the shops. Read about the shops again and answer the questions. So I'd like you now to go to the workbook, page 31. Try to read about the shops again and then answer the following questions. Which shop has got places to sit? Which shop? Can you remember? Read on. Read on. Right, you are. Next, if you need advice, where will you go? Advice. You go to a place where the people are friendly, they advise you, okay, they give you advice, they help you choose what you want. You can go to the gifts for all. The staff there help you to choose a gift. Okay, where can you try games before you buy them? Okay, of course you can go to the game mode, and you can also go to nice listening. We have A and B. Next, number 5, if you want games, where will you go? Where can you order what you want? We have 2 shops. We'll see the answers. Which shop is very big? I think read on is very big. So read the page 31 please, and try to decide and know the answers from the page. Okay, let me show you the answers of exercise 10. So which shop has got places to sit? It's read on. Which I'm sorry, number 2, if you need advice, where will you go? Fresh look, where you can buy clothes, bags, belts, and game mode. 3, where can you try games before you buy them? Game mode and gifts for all. 4, where can you order what you want? Read on and nice listening. Number 5, if you want games, where will you go? To the game mode and gifts for all. Number 6, which shop is very big? Read on and games for all. By this we come to the end of this period. So it was about what I like buying in the shopping mall. It was about the Rose Mall and the different shops that are available there. What can you do and how can you spend your time there? By this we come to the end. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have enjoyed my period. Thank you and goodbye.